Ciao everyone, it's Marchettino and today we make the Ferrari shine.
I'm excited for today's video. At the end of this video, I think this car will look like new because the 355 is sitting here in the studio of Luca Car Detailing. As you can tell, the car is about to get detailed. After having seen Luca working on my S2000, on the M3, I'm seriously excited because if you look at the Ferrari, it looks in a very good shape for being a car built in 1997, but if you go closely and look it under the light, you can see a lot of swirls that need to go away. And look at that! That Porsche 930 looks brand new. Luca has finished to detail this car and wow, for being a car even older than the 355, it looks like a new. And finally, for the first time, the S2000 and the 355 are together. So if you remember, in the previous video we have repainted the wheels, we changed the tires, the side skirt needed to be repainted, so there she is. First step of the detailing process has already been done because Luca has already cleaned the whole car, he has decontaminated it. Then as you can see, the plate as well as the Ferrari badges are missing. At the end of the video, I'll be able to mirror myself on this beautiful body. So guys, just a little taste of this small portion just being detailed by Luca. Just look at the difference. This part, not detailed yet. This part, it's a mirror. It looks so different. It looks like two different cars. So just imagine the whole car detailed looking like this. Wow, this is exciting. Looks promising. Yeah, at the end of this video, I think this car will look like a new car just came out the factory.
And now we can start the full detailing process, so guys, enjoy the show! Guys, I am almost ready to show you the 355 under the sunlight. As you can see, I have a different outfit from the beginning of the video because you see the full detailing in a 10 minutes video, but the truth is that there is a lot of work behind a full detailing like this. And now I'm gonna show you a little bit the result that Luca has done so far.
The polishing process is finished and well, you can see the difference because finally I can mirror myself on the body of the 355. There is still one step to complete the detailing and there it is. Luca is about to wax the full body of the 355 with this wax with a lovely flavor of vanilla. He's gonna apply the wax on the body of the car. With this, it will take about a few hours. We're not gonna apply nanotech for now because after this step I'm going to install the PPF on the car, and it's not good to apply nanotech prior the transparent film. The wax will give more glow to the paint, and well, this Rosso Corsa color definitely need a proper work like this. To that. Finally, the 355 is back on the road. So now we're going on a beautiful spot that I know to take a few pictures and videos for my social medias, and I'm gonna show you on detail the whole result of the detailing. It's been refreshed quite a lot. It's a car made in 97 with a lot of swill and signs of the age, and now it looks like brand new. I'm so happy to be back behind the wheel of my 355. I nearly almost forgot how good this car is to drive. This is also the first time I'm driving the car with the brand new Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires, and for being a car with zero electronics, the behavior behind the wheel has changed a lot. When I took the lever of the car, the tires were so old. This car was very dangerous and scary to drive because it literally had zero grip, zero traction, lots of understeer and oversteer, and now the car feels so neutral, it's impossible to oversteer. It doesn't have so much power, so now it feels quite safe to drive. It's not slow actually. Of course, it's not like the modern Ferraris, but I mean, this soundtrack, the manual gearbox, wow. The driving experience behind the 355 is priceless. It's something you don't get on the modern Ferraris anymore. I wish Ferrari still made the manual. I wish many things about Ferrari, but this is a kind of car we won't see anymore. Also the first proper time you see my 355 in action, and I will look forward to driving around mountain passes, racetrack, I mean, with the roof down on a beautiful day like this. Wow, I will cover hundreds and hundreds of miles with this car. I think the only thing right now we need is more voice, because I love the way this car sounds, but it's not enough. We need a new exhaust. In fact, my new straight pipes is on its way. My new straight pipes will arrive very shortly, and well, I think that after this car will sound pretty much like an old Formula 1 car. So guys, what a beauty. There she is, the 355 back on the road. Let's have a look on detail, the work done by Luca Car Detailing. Just look at the body, it's so shiny. If you see some little spots, don't worry, because Luca's done a good job. What you see are just signs of the cloth. So basically, if I wash the car, everything goes away and it's perfect. Well, it's already perfect like this. Built in 1997, now it looks like it just came out the factory. I think now the car is ready for the Museo Ferrari. What do you think, guys? I'm in love with this car, and now with the proper detailing, look at that beauty. It's so shiny. It's like a red mirror on the road. Wow, what a car. I'm in love with the design of the wheels. I really like them, and now they're back to new. I will never change the wheels on this car because I like these ones. And after having pushed this car on the road, well, I think the brakes need a little upgrade, because now with the tires brand new, the car feels great to drive. The engine is so powerful, but the brakes, they're not powerful enough for me, so I think I'm gonna go for new pads and discs. Let's have a look at the interior. Luca didn't do a detailing inside because I don't really think this car needed right now. The previous owner did a full detailing of the interior before selling it to me. I think the interior looks quite fresh, so I don't think another detailing needed to be done. This will leave, so I'm gonna restore back to its original radio. The infotainment will leave soon. The idea is to restore the car back to its factory spec, of course, exhaust aside. The only thing that needs to be done in the interior is to clean all the red carpets and make it back to a very bright red, but I will do that at home, that's no problem. Right guys, so now that the car is fully detailed, as you can clearly see it, we need to protect the detailing done by Luca. So next step, we're gonna PPF the full car, and then as soon as the new straight pipes is in the hands of my mechanic, I'm driving to his workshop, and then this car will sound pretty much like an historic Formula 1 car. I'm so excited to be back on the road with the 355, so finally I can put more miles on it, enjoy it, and share more adventures with you guys. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. And as always, thanks for watching. Ciao!